This is a Duplo DC645 slitter, cutter, and impact creaser. It can also do business cards as well with the correct cartridges, which this unit does have included with it. It can do up to, I believe, 1218 or 1420 paper size. We will verify that in the description. It has an extension there. It's got a pile feeder here on the end. The machine is programmable with any computer or laptop. Included is a laptop with the CD. You can use this one or any one that you have, any desktop as well. It just connects with a regular old USB connection, and this is just a screenshot of what the software looks like on the computer. You can set up the jobs any way you want, and then it just loads it onto here, and they're saved as programs. We have to kind of, we didn't have a chance to set up the computer, so we're just going to run what's on here. There's a number of dies included. This first one here is a trims the outside edges of your sheet.
Yeah, that's a
cutter.
That's a slit.
And then you have
three slits.
Up to 3 slits and up to another 3 slits.
And then there's a business card one with a bunch of slitters. And then these are your creasers. So when this thing goes through, you'll see that then come down and make the crease.
We're gonna make some of these.
Right now we're just running. You guys are just running, you know, a sheet with parting it,
4,
and then cutting it in half.
Yeah, so we're turning an 11/17 sheet here into 4 of these in one pass, creased in the middle for your digital printing. We also have the business card delivery here and the business card die here as well. All of this is automatic setup. You program it. All these blades here move inside out depending on what job you have set up. You don't have to take anything in and out unless you're going from business cards to anything else. And we'll go ahead and run this. So it's slitting off the edges. There's a scrap bin underneath here, and there's a slot here to throw stuff in if you want. Oh, I opened the door so the machine stopped. But here's our scrap bin. Go ahead and start that back. Well, we had to reset here real quick because I was showing you guys the scrap bin down here and I opened the cover so the safeties turned the machine off. So before we get back started here, we're just going to show you what we're doing. We are taking this 11/17 sheet, it's trimming off some of the sides, and it's making these 4 pieces all in one pass. And it's creasing it as well here for a fold. Impact creasing. So again, it is doing this. It's cutting and creasing all in one pass, all 4 from one sheet. I'll go ahead and turn this thing back on. This time we won't open a cover. You can see there it's setting up, it's moving the pieces around for this job, and then it runs the paper through. So that's one sheet, made 4 units. You can even put a divider in here to keep them separate if you like. There's a bunch of magnetic dividers for your delivery table. Delivery table is adjustable at the angle. It's got 3 different positions. The adjustment of the speed there on the feeder. One more time, we got our trimming head. You can see the knife right there. We got our slitters, 1 and 2. There are 2 slitting knives. This is our cutter here. And you got your impact crease here at the end. That's why it's stopping before it goes out, creasing it. I'm going to show you here that just how fast it is to switch out the dies from you're going from one job to another. If you want to go to business cards, you just undo those screws there. And then just pop it out. And you just do the reverse. You grab your business card die here. And you just pop that in. screw those back down and the machine does the rest. It's all programmable and automated setup. All the operator has to do is put the paper in and adjust the delivery accordingly. Less than a minute, we got the dies switched out. So we're back here. We saw us put that die in. Now they set the machine up to run. We don't have any business cards. We're just taking this 8.5 by 11 printed stock, glossy. You can see here's a stack of cards that we just cut. We'll go ahead and cut some for you here in a second. Big difference here between this machine, just a regular old business card slitter. This knife here that you were seeing us use before to cut those sheets up is actually gutter cutting out these pieces. So you can do a regular chop cut like a business card slitter would slit, but it can also do this and actually gutter cut out these sections. So you can go right to the edge, and it can do that in the middle as well by uses 2 trimming blades or slitting blades. It can actually cut out the middles between them as well, and obviously cuts out the outside. You can see we're on some already. We've got our little dividers here. We're just doing just a standard 8 up, but you could run a larger sheet, I believe up to 11/17, and be up to 5 wide. No, sorry, 6 wide. Let's go ahead and run some. I'll come up there. You actually see it here doing a couple cuts. We have it set up, it's gutter cutting out those midsections. And what now? See the knife there going in and it's cutting out. That knife going up and down, cutting out the middles.
I'll jog these up. Go ahead, stop it. So you can see it's all slitting.
Stop the machine, pull some out here, we'll jog them up.
Yeah, so you get an idea that it does a really nice job.
Nice clean stack. That took, all we had to do was put the paper in and press the program and it's ready to go. No tools required. Yeah, let's go. Okay, now we got the laptop booted up here. Show you the software that comes with it. So a couple different options here. You can, first of all, when you have jobs, you can either upload them to the DC45 or you can download the jobs already on there if you want to edit them. So when you go to upload, you can choose to do all your jobs that you've made or just certain ones by picking them out. Same thing for, you can, when it's actually connected, you can go to file and pick out one on the machine and download it to modify it. You can do they have a wizard here to make your programs where you use this. You tell it if you're running the standard module or the business card, the perforator, the score, whatnot. You pick one and you input a measurement and then you go through the process and it makes a job for you. Or you can do a manual, you can do what they call a direct program and you can just put in all the parameters of, you pick your module, standard, business card, perf, etc. It's got your sheet of paper here. And you put in all your different dimensions and variables, and it sets it up and it shows it over here what it's going to do to the sheet. You also can upload maintenance data from the machine onto this to keep track of maintenance records. And well, it's not hooked up right now, but that's why I showed that error. But you can also go to the functions and turn things on and off. Register, air knife, double feed detector, guides, auto cuts, stuff like that, speed. From this computer. A lot of people just put it on a table right behind the unit, or you can set it on top, whatever you like. But we have the software as well. You can put it on any computer you want, but this one will be included. The software CDs right here, so you can You can put it on a different computer if you want to.